Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nandu Lollipop. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 500 grams of fresh crab meat, carefully cleaned and ready for preparation. Next, we'll create a vibrant marinade. Combine ginger garlic paste, a dash of chili powder, and a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice in a bowl. This mixture will infuse the crab with incredible flavor. Ensure all ingredients are well mixed before proceeding to the next step. Also, have your lollipop sticks ready. Now that your crab meat is clean and your marinade is prepared, it's time to combine them. Gently coat the crab meat with the marinade, ensuring every piece is well covered. Let this mixture rest for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to deeply penetrate the crab. After marinating, carefully form small, compact balls from the mixture. These should be firm enough to hold their shape. Finally, insert a lollipop stick into each crab ball, transforming them into the classic lollipop form. With your Nandu lollipops assembled, it's time for the cooking process. Heat a generous amount of cooking oil in a deep pan to approximately 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the crab lollipops into the pan, being mindful not to overcrowd it. Fry them until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a wonderfully crispy texture. Remember to turn them occasionally to ensure even cooking on all sides. Your delicious Nandu lollipops are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them hot, straight from the pan, alongside your favorite dipping sauce, perhaps a sweet chili or a tangy mint chutney. A garnish of fresh cilantro or a sprinkle of finely chopped spring onions adds a lovely touch and extra flavor. These make a fantastic appetizer or a fun snack for any occasion. And speaking of smart choices, if you're looking to truly transform your financial perspective, check out the book The Simple Path to Wealth. You'll find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. It's a fantastic resource for anyone wanting to build lasting financial security.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.